In this video I'm going to show you how to run Steam games as an administrator. So what we need to do is open our Steam and then we will right click on the game which you want to run as an administrator. Go to Properties, after that go to Installed Files, then you will see the option to click on Browse. Click on that and now you are in the game application in your folders. So what we need to do is basically go to the application.exe and then select it, right click on it and then click on Properties. And as you can see, we have the option to go to compatibility. And there is the option to run this program as an administrator. Select it, apply, OK, then close out. And once you click now on play now, then this game will run as an administrator.